Welcome everyone! Today we will be unboxing the Htv론트 A200H Auto Handle Tumbler Heat Press. Let's open the box together and see what's inside. First up, you will find a user guide envelope, which includes a user manual card, a quick start guide, a brand card, and a warranty card. This will help you get to know your machine quickly, so make sure to check them out. Next, we have one roll of heat-resistant tape, one pair of heat-resistant gloves, one 2mm tumbler heat press mat. Finally, here's the machine itself. So these are all the items you will find in the package. Now let's quickly try using this machine. The compact size of 335mm by 310mm by 226mm makes it perfect for small businesses or personal studios. With a simple pull and push, you can swap the heat plate in just a few seconds. Turn on the power, and the screen along with the start button lights up. The machine is ready to go. Today, we are using a 40-ounce handle tumbler. Select Memory Mode D from the 4 preset memory modes. Take the 3 printed sections prepared in Locklink Ideal Studio, trim along the edges, and use heat-resistant tape to secure them in place by area. When the start button turns green, put on your heat-resistant gloves, wrap the tumbler with the heat press mat, and place it into the machine. Press start, and the machine begins the heat press automatically. Once the countdown finishes and the heat plate releases, remove the tumbler and peel off the sublimation paper. With just a single press, your specially shaped tumbler is complete. That's all for today's unboxing. So are you ready to get started?